Hey there, are you experiencing issues with your Windows 11 update service? Don't worry, in this video we'll walk you through fixing the Windows Update Service Missing problem. Stay tuned for a simple solution to get your updates back on track. Right-click on the Windows Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on System. Next, select Troubleshoot from the options on the left-hand side. Under Troubleshoot, scroll down and click on Other Troubleshoot. Now, click on Run to initiate the troubleshooting process. Once the process is complete, click on Close to exit the troubleshooter. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Open your web browser of choice. Copy the link provided for the Registry Editor file from the video description. Paste the link into the address bar of your browser by pressing Ctrl+V and then press Enter. Click on Save As when prompted. Choose a location to save the file and click on Save. Locate the downloaded Registry Editor file. And double-click on it to open. Click on Run if prompted by the User Account Control dialog box. Confirm by clicking Yes twice to allow changes to be made. Finally, click OK. To complete the process. To finish up, right-click on the Windows Start button again and select Restart to reboot your PC. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.